Are you lost? Luckily for you, I can help. Sometimes when people are trying to find important information in a book or a presentation, but don't want to read the entire thing, we can look at the table of contents. My name is Caroline Santa Anna, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to create a table of contents in Google Slides. Creating a table of contents is really helpful if you have a long slideshow and maybe there's particular points you want to get to or you'd like your students to focus on. So it's just an easier way to navigate that slideshow. Here I have started a table of contents. For this example, we are going to use all about dogs. The first thing I'm going to do is hover over my first chapter or item, and so in this case it'd be what dogs do. And then I'm going to right click it. This column on the right should pop up, and I will go down and find link, and then I will click that. Next, you're going to select slides in this presentation. This allows you to select the slide or slides that correspond with this chapter. I'm wanting this page to be linked to that first chapter, so what dogs do. So I will scroll down to slide 6, and then I'm just going to click on that. And then after that, I will click apply. And so doing this will highlight what I linked, so right here. Once I click the highlighted part, it will take me to the page that I selected or linked. So I clicked on it, and there we go. It takes me to that. You may be wondering, what else do I need to do? And guess what? It's as easy as that. You're going to repeat those steps. The steps are simple. So let's review. So all you have to do is hover. You're going to hover over that item, and then you will right click it, easy. And then you're going to go down to link, and then you're going to select the slide. It's really easy, and so you're just going to keep doing that until you have done it for every single item on your table of contents. I want to say thank you. Here are my resources. Thank you for following along, and hopefully now you know how to create a table of contents in Google Slides. Thank you.